Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to take this time and welcome you all to Trendlines Trader, a YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis and we go live on weekdays. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Offense and I will be your anchor for today. We're gonna start with DXY to check where our US dollar index is about to move or what we could have on the charts. Ladies and gentlemen, thereafter I will go with your Nasdaq 100. The aim is to check Nasdaq 100, but we check where the dollar is heading, whether the dollar is bullish or bearish today. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our DXY and I'm on for hourly time frame. We can see that previously we had our analysis or our drawings on the chart. As you can see, our chart, our dollar, our instrument, our symbol was very bullish, but just yesterday we witnessed dollar not making those big moves like the previous moves that we see right there. You can see that from yesterday it was just playing around this level. I believe that it's struggling to break this level. What could happen is, or what we could expect is to witness our instrument breaking this level right here, this resistance that we are having. It could break it and reach the resistance, the diagonal resistance that we drew yesterday when we were doing the analysis. I hope this is visible to you guys, or let me just push it closer right here so that you can see clearly what we are talking about. So we can see clearly what we are talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, please let me reset. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget that we were having this type of structure where the price was bullish, as you can see, and then in the overall trend or channel, we had the inter channel. We had this small inter support zone where the price was showing us that, or presenting to us this type of support zone when it was forming this support that it's bullish. So we can see that the price is about to reach or respecting the level, the support zone, and it might break towards this resistance, the previous diagonal resistance we had there. And if it doesn't push towards the upside, if the dollar starts to be weak, we can witness it breaking our support and retest before it push towards the diagonal or overall support zone. This is our overall support zone. I hope that makes sense. This is for hourly time frame, don't forget that. So now we can move to our Nasdaq 100. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. On Nasdaq 100 yesterday we had a very nice predictions, we had a very nice setups. As we can see, or we can witness, that the price or the symbol is respecting our setups. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see we're still on that bearish trend. As you can see, the price has been making a very nice chart or presenting this beautiful chart of a bearish. We are having an overall bearish chart or channel, and in this channel we have this trend line, or trend rather, let me say, this trend that is bearish. As you can see, especially as we are on 4-hour time frame, the price has been pushing towards the downside. And yesterday we predicted that the price could respect the price, could respect the level and push towards the upside to give us that correctively move. You can see that the price is about to do so today. We believe that it's about to do so. So what happens is we end up I end up taking the chance and placing my buy just after this candlestick closes. And you can see this is candlestick pattern. These 3 candlesticks it's a pattern. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see. It's a inverse, it's a U pattern, candlestick pattern. These three candles, this one is engulfing the green or the blue bullish candlestick. It's engulfing the small red pattern. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a sign or signal of a bullish movement of the price towards the upside. It's a bullish signal, so we should always look out for the look out for this type of patterns. When we see the pattern, or when we look out for, well, we should look out for this type of candlesticks. This is what we have to look out for. If you don't know how to read your candlesticks, you're gonna have a struggle in this trading business. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just I believe that the price will reach this level, as it is my 50% of this bearish momentum. I hope that makes sense to you. Let me use the let me use your Fibonacci retracement to prove that I believe it will be making that movement towards the 50%. You can see how we use our Fibonacci. Ladies and gentlemen, witness this. This is our 50% of the movement. We could see our price as it's about to respect, or as it respecting our setups. We could see the price pushing towards the upside and might make a pullback before we could see it pushing towards the resistance. That could happen during the week, but I believe sometime I'm willing to take my profit around this 50% of Fibonacci retracement, so that I don't have to hold and stress. I don't want to be greedy actually. If the price reaches this level, I'm taking my profits. I won't wait or hold up until it reaches this level, because this is a bearish trend. So in a bearish trend, you don't hold your buy orders. No, if you place the buy orders on a bearish trend, don't hold. What you need to do on a bearish trend, scalp the buying orders, scalp the correctively moves. As you can see, the price could push towards the upside. That's what we are doing, trying to scalp, take your orders, take your profits and run. So if I don't want to sit and wait for the price to reach this level before I look for sales, because I'm trying to make some catching. The catching, you will start to look out for this, at least opportunities to take some catching around this level. As you can see, I'm looking for this. I wanted to say we could see, this is what I was happening previously. You could see the price was moving passively towards the downside, and it made the pullback before it pushed towards the downside again. This is the 50% that I'm talking about. Let's go to Fibonacci retracement and see. You see what I mean? You could look out for 30% or 50%, but this is the 50% I want you guys to witness here. I want you guys to witness this 50% that I'm talking about. As you can see, the price was moving passively towards the downside, and it made the retracement. This is the 50% I was talking about. You can see the 50% right there. So this is what I look out for. I don't go all out or all the way, or hold the price or the profits or my trades all the way until it reaches this level. Don't want to take that chance. The price could make a U-turn around this level or pull back and go back or move towards the previous level where you placed your buys or where you took the trades. So I want to secure my trades before the price makes that U-turn. Whenever the price reaches the 30%, this 30% of Fibonacci, I look out, or I hold, or I sit and look at the price like a hawk, so that I can be able to close the profits when they reach 50%. So this is what I do. I don't know if you would like to do it also. That's your choice. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what I'm thinking about. Let's check on gold. I believe gold is also respecting the setups. As you can see, then this is what exactly I meant. This is exactly what I meant yesterday. Look at this. Yesterday it was Monday. Today is Tuesday, the 10th of May, and we are witnessing gold respecting the level or the area. One thing I can say is that it seems like it's about to make that movement towards the upside. But if it doesn't, what could happen is that we could see the price breaking. Let me move this towards the, let me move it a little bit higher. Come on now, there we go. Close this one, there we go. Yeah, I wanted it to be ready. So ladies and gentlemen, the same thing that is happening with Nasdaq, I can say, or we could witness or notice that the price was mouse, what's wrong? We could witness that the price was giving or presenting this to us, this bearish trend to us, and we also having that inter bearish, or the price is pushing passively towards the downside. So what is happening here, we just have to look out for, let me zoom in, excuse me, we just have to look out for the price to break this level before it push towards the diagonal support zone that we have. Actually, here we have the overall support name. If the price respects it, this overall support zone, if the price gonna break this level and reach this overall support, clearly we should expect to see it continuing with the bearish trend. But if the price doesn't respect the level, if it pushed towards the upside, I'm telling you, we just have to go and wait until it breaks, until it breaks the previous diagonal resistance before we place our buying positions. I hope this makes sense. But for now, just have to wait and see if it respects the level or it breaks that level. I hope this makes sense. If it makes sense to you, please don't forget to place or to hit or to tap that like button so that this video can be able to reach other people. And please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you are still welcome to do so. Don't forget that we are having the social media handles, ladies and gentlemen. As we can see, we are on Instagram and Facebook. Our Instagram handle is right there, and look for the link on the descriptions. Our Facebook is at Trendlines Trader. Look out for the handle on the description. And yes, we do have email if you want to communicate with me personally. Our email is trendlinestrader@gmail.com. Ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Sharp. May God bless you all.